everybody, this is the website boy again with another great tutorial, and today we're going to be doing some JavaScript. I'm going to show you what it is and I'm going to show you how to use it. I think it's very important for every person out there to know a little bit of JavaScript, and for those of you that want more advanced JavaScript, I will make it soon, so make sure you subscribe. For those of you that want to know how to navigate my course, this is how you do it. On the top, on the right bottom hand there of the screen, make sure you subscribe. Click that button there. Subscribe to my channel if you want some more JavaScript tutorials. All right? It's very important. YouTube will send you an email right away once I upload any video to my channel. YouTube will send you an email. So make sure you do that right now. Now, for those of you that want to do everything like me, I understand, okay? What I use is very simple. I use a code editor called Sublime, and I use the Emmet plugin to write things just a little faster. You don't have to do everything like me. You can also install Notepad++ for Windows or the Text Wrangler for Mac. Now, for those of you out there that forget to like my videos, I forgive you. But please, please, please do not forget. It's very important for me to know that you guys like it. It's very important for me to know. That way I can make more videos and keep showing you guys how to do things, all right? Now, I always, well, 99% of the time provide exercise files. Those of you that want to download the exercise file, what I do on the screen, you are free to do so. Go to the websiteboy.com/snippets, all right? And if you have any issues, just contact me and I'll take care of it. Just make a comment on YouTube video, all right? You can download or copy and paste the code most of the time in there, all right? So make sure you remember that name, the website boy. I'm also on Google, so you can Google it, all right? For those of you that like my videos, I see you. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. You guys, I really appreciate it because it gives me a lot of motivation to even make more videos. So stay tuned and let's learn some JavaScript right now. Here by JavaScript. JavaScript is nothing but a programming language inside your browser. That's all it is. And if you click on your browser, inside your browser, people that program your browser, whatever browser you got, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you got, they program JavaScript right inside the browser. And not only that, but they put functions inside, programs that you can call, that you can use like shorthand codes and call those functions to do certain things in there, making it easier for you. Now, they also gave us the ability to make custom functions, custom programs that we can use, and that's why a lot of people create very cool stuff online. All right, so let me just show you exactly how to use JavaScript. Very simple how to use it. Open your code editor. You should be familiar with this if you written any HTML before, which you should have if you are trying to learn JavaScript. If you haven't, you need to go back out there and you need to check the HTML code that I got in tutorials that I got in my channel. All right, so very simple. We're gonna make a file here. I open my code editor. We're gonna make a file called I don't know, blank. I don't know why I opened another window. Blank. That's how I was right now 2 seconds ago. Blank. We're gonna save it. We're gonna call it blank. We're gonna save it under JavaScript. Save. And then we're just gonna do a simple blank HTML skeleton file here, which is, it means that we just have the structure of the HTML file and that's it. Now, in order for us to write JavaScript, it's very, very, very simple. All we need is an open script tag and a close script tag. Now, remember the function that I was telling you about that JavaScript has for us to use? Pre-made functions? Right here, I'm going to show you. One of them is called alert. And then the way you call the function in JavaScript is when you use these parentheses. You write the name of the function and you put these parentheses, and then you have to close it with a semicolon. And that's how you call the function. Now this function is going to do something, right? It's going to alert a window. It's going to give us a little pop-up window on the screen. All right, so we can check it, very simple. But let's just go to this file here. Double click it and let's open this. Double click it and you see this JavaScript alert. All right, so this is a pre-made function of JavaScript right inside the browser. Every browser is going to give you the same results. Now every browser has different settings and these bots might look different. Of course, this is Chrome and it's going to give you the little Chrome icon, which Chrome developers put it in here. inside this function. This is somewhere defined, meaning that somebody wrote this function somewhere in the browser. And the way they write the functions is like this. So let me just give you an example how this function was written. Alert, right? They write the name of they write this name, this first function, and then the name, the parentheses like you saw there. But then here they open the brackets and they close it down here, and then in between here, that's where they write the other code, right? And then when they finish writing all the code, then you can use this function, right? They write the code in the browser, then you call the function by using the name of the function somewhere like we were using it, like this, and that's how you call it. We can write any function we want. We can write a function saying hello right now, and then we write our code. Like for example, let me just write a simple document dot write. This is another pre-made function that inside this function. All right, so I'm just gonna write document dot write. I'm gonna write something on the screen. Hello from the website boy. All right, so how am I gonna call this function on the browser? On my document, I'm gonna call it. Remember, this is outside the function. You see the closing parentheses brackets here. You need to go outside to call the function. You can't call it from inside here. Calling it means that we gotta write the same name again. Hello parentheses, and then after the parentheses, what we need to do always, we close it with a semicolon. Right? I mean, we put a semicolon, right? So now we go to this file and refresh it, and you see this. He just wrote on the screen on the browser, on the document, hello from the website boy. All right, and that's what this does. Document.write, it writes a string, and every time you're writing strings, meaning text, you got to put the quotes inside this. All right, the same thing. So you see how we did this. We made our own function just like the browser developers. They made the alert like this, and they put all the code like the size of the little pop-up window, like the width, right? For example, 133 pixels, the height. They wrote all this stuff down there for us to use, and then we just went ahead and used the alert, right? And that's how we did it. We can make our own functions and do that, right? Just like I showed you right now. This is how you're able to use JavaScript. Remember, always use a open and close script tag on any HTML document, and you don't need to include anything. You don't need to put anything else. You can use it right out of the box because it's already pre-written in the browser. All right, now there are many pre-written functions out there, a lot of them. One cool website that I like to visit often is 3W Schools. All right, and if you go here and then just look it up like this, they have a whole bunch of JavaScript functions that you can use, right? This is how you write strings. Put a variable. This var means variable. It's like placeholders that you can hold things in there. All right, hold text and whatever other things you want to. Date methods, meaning these are functions too, and they show you how to write the date in JavaScript and all that. I'm gonna be making some more JavaScript tutorial just to give you show you the ropes in JavaScript. All right, so if this was helpful to you, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that because you get an automatic email every time I upload a video. All right, so this is JavaScript, and you can do a lot of things with it, right? So just keep that in mind, that is in the browser, and you will only be able to use it on the browser, meaning that if you don't have a browser, you won't be able to use JavaScript because it's already pre-written in here. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you liked it, please like the video, make a comment, and I'll make some more. Thank you so much.